Now we're getting 6 false negatives when we run this again. Are the previous 2 in the mix or not? Okay, I have to stop somewhere, don't we? But yeah, this is roughly what we get, about 90% accuracy. Essentially 0 false alarms and some false positives. Sorry, so 0 false positives and some false negatives. Sorry, that needs to be, we need to get that one correctly. Dataset details is actually the original thing. By the way, we can play some music for you if you like to relax. I'm not sure how relaxing it is though. We have this dataset and we did the whole training for it. So this is what the last results for the training. We have accuracy and model loss function. We have a confusion matrix. This result gives 6 false negatives. Yeah, false negatives. Sorry, I have to think about it. Yeah, when it's no seizure and the robot says seizure, and it's a false positive, so we have 0 of those. And when we have an actual seizure but the bot is saying non-seizure, that's a false negative. And we get 6 on those in this case. We had a better one. Yeah, we had one with only 2. But in the results we'll just let you select, just scroll through them potentially. So we're updating the Python code. We have the bot, the robot is doing everything for us. So we had this dataset, had 600 images of spectrograms of EEG with seizures and no seizures. We have training with, I don't remember what's the split, 80, normally what is it, 8, should be the 30 and 30. Anyway, whatever the split is, I think it's 80, 10, 10 or something percent. And I'm trying to update this Python code. Okay, let's do the tree again. That will be all the files and folders for the project. Let's see what it says. Here it should start generating the Python code, but who knows? It's hallucinating by definition all the time. That's what it does. But it's hallucinating very well. At least this model, until the company have changed something. Guess what we've got? Yep, a Flask app. Currently we have 29 lines of code. We'll need to change it quite a bit. So we have, yeah, serving images from the server. Should be pretty basic, but there's many things that can go wrong. This is a placeholder. We don't like placeholders, do we? Because they don't actually work. Just have to go with the robot. I can't code myself, so hopeless. The HTML currently have, right, we have that description that we need to rewrite anyway. Have the description that we need to rewrite. So we just get rid of it. The answer is yes, we just get rid of it. Just need to make sure everything else is working. Need to make sure we keep the reference to the dataset for where we get the dataset from. Why getting rid of stuff that was working okay before? Do we actually need the, why did it stop generating? Can we do music while we wait? It's not gonna continue, is it? It's not going to continue generating either. And yeah, this one's stuck. Just refresh the page, I don't know. The CEO got kicked out of the company again or something. OpenAI is down. Want to restart. And now it's doing something. Okay. Can never go with a prompt like continue. Let's see if this flask still works. Would like to keep everything intact. Possible. Okay. This one is still working. That's a good sign. Okay. Just do I need another robot just every 5 minutes or so? Say, okay, continue. Okay, we're updating the JavaScript. Currently we have 45 lines of code. Hopefully, okay, JavaScript. Can we redo the JavaScript code, update and regenerate, taking into account the fact that what we currently have, the code above, is working fine at the moment. So we just want to expand on it and not change it too much. So my fetch images, yeah, fetch results. But we're also fetching the images, so. Yeah, there's a lot of fun things on the side, like this optical illusions. There's actually a script that generates these images. So do check it out. You can run it yourself, but yeah, there's nothing deployed. It's not a Flask application, it's just a static page. It has the images, but it has the Python code as well. So you can generate these optical illusions all by yourself. This one has this scroller where you can move one of the lines to actually confirm that they are the same length, even though it doesn't look like. And there's an explanation about each optical illusion. So yeah, check it out. Let me know if this is something you enjoy. Could create more of this stuff. I think this could be very interesting. Okay, it wasn't actually generating, so. So everything we do is eventually available on this website. And go check it out. You will be helping the project this way quite a bit. We changed quite a few, like the about and the contact section. Yeah, we have to actually update it. Yeah, this music generator takes some time to start. I just closed it by mistake. Refreshing it takes a bit of time. Okay, so we generated the JavaScript. Yeah, this looks more like it, because we want to keep the previous functionality, and we had 45 lines of code. Now it should be, yeah, much longer, almost double. That's okay, as long as it's still, as long as what we had before still works. It seemed to be the case, so that's good. Okay, how do we update and modify the HTML? We would like to keep what we currently have works well, so we would like to keep it and expand upon it without changing what's currently there in terms of the HTML content itself. We do, however, need to change the text, all the text, all the description at the bottom of the page. So Shall we do it now or in separate responses? Any preferences, suggestions are welcome.